Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Intermountain Healthcare easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the registration process with Intermountain Healthcare, visit their official website. On the home page, look for the register or sign up option. Click on the link to start your registration. You will be directed to the registration page. Here, you'll need to provide some basic personal information. Fill in your first and last name in the designated fields. Next, enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email that you frequently check. Then, create a secure password for your account. Choose a password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your password, confirm it in the next field. Following that, you may need to enter additional information such as your date of birth and phone number. Provide this information accurately to ensure smooth communication. Once you've completed all required fields, review your information for any errors. If everything looks correct, look for the Submit or Continue button. Click on it to proceed with your registration. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after submission. Check your email inbox for this confirmation. Follow any instructions provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Intermountain Healthcare website. Log in using your registered email and password. You are now successfully registered and can start utilizing Intermountain Healthcare's services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.